can block the site, but this is how it is at around 5:40 p.m. If you're interested in seeing this beach, it's good. The wind is cool, the mountain, the site, everything. You're gonna love it here. And as you see, there are many tourists, mostly local now. Regarding if maybe in summer days, this coming summer, there will be foreigners also. Lots of amenities. I heard that they were also renting boat for 5,000 a day. So there you go. Once again, this is Patungan Beach. If you're nearby and interested, check it out. Peace.